What's up, my people? How na day? I don't carry another better update carry come. I will make we talk about this particular update within the call Payroute. Okay, Payroute. This Payroute don't they give me better issues, and I just feel like, man, I need to come talk about this update. If it is me for the first time, my name is Solomon. Waiting at the do here be say I they come talk about different updates where if I use any update and the update they work out for me, I'll come here come talk about that. If you want to call it better update for my hand, make sure say like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel so that if I drop new update, they go notify you say update don't land. I beg make you know say I no come here to come do tutorial video. I beg now review I come here to come drop. But if you want check the tutorial, if you check my certain account, you go see tutorial for there. So today I go talk about waiting be Payroute, how their system they work, waiting don't change, and waiting be my opinion, and I go drop my ratings. Then you say you go feel drop your own opinion for comment section. Before I forget, make a comment with you watch this video from for comment section. Thank you very much. Waiting be Payroute now update will come out things around 2022. This update talks if they use their platform, they do small online work, make it they collect small thing every single day. For the past 6 months, Payroute don't they change where they decide to change their interface, change a lot of things. I can't make video about them. You know, reach another 1 month plus they see change again, and this time they can't decide to spoil a lot of things. The first thing we then spoil for this platform, number one, they delete plenty people account, including my own account. So Payroute delete my account. Commodity say the account no become deactive, and I make they can't delete the account. And this account where I don't get plenty referrals, and an account where I get money inside to no be empty account, but they still go delete the account. So this thing can't disturb me. I can't go contact their customer service. I talk to one of them for their Telegram channel. They can't tell me say they go no get waiting they go feed do. I'm say they be don't announce. I'm say they go commode the account. So me I can ask them say, if una announce, why would I no send general email give everybody? Because if they been send email give me, I foresee the email say okay this they happen. They just claim my account commode and nothing. But by the way, I don't create new account. Payroute now up the way if you use them for free, then get some premium features we then to say you go need put small thing before if you use their premium features. So now the first thing we need to know be that. Another thing we need to know about Payroute is say then get within they call art, then get within they call videos. Now if you watch videos they call it small thing, and they get within they call capture. If you they soft capture, they get offer words where if you take small offers. This is GPT platforms, download apps, play games and all those things. In there they get PTC, then get referral commission, referral content. So then get all these things here, then get spin the wheel. Once you sign up an account, they also you go need verify your profile. They don't come get plenty things for the platform. I know they happy with them, but even with that, so another thing I can notice be say if you never activate their premium, you know get access to some things for the platform. Some features go they limited, your earnings go they limited, and you know suppose they like that. They get plenty things. They get articles will be say if you go read articles and make you they collect. I withdraw here and still the same thing like before. If you ask me premium and free account, which one me if you advise you make you use? I no go advise you to use anyone where you like. Now you go use me. I still they test this their new platform. Any idea I go let you know. So what seems to be some of the things I like and some of the things I don't like. The first thing I like be say the platform don't come dey okay, and the second thing I like be say they don't come get plenty tax than before, and the third thing I can't like be say their withdrawal now come still the same like before. Another thing I can't like be say their premium no come to today high like before and all those things. Another thing I can't like be say the customer service they reply, because no be every platform they like that. So another thing I like about Payroute be say they get better review for Trustpilot, and Trustpilot now platform will be say if you go there check different reviews, you go see they get 4.7 stars for Trustpilot, which is pretty amazing. 4.7 over 5 stars on Trustpilot. And another thing I like about them be say they support local currency. Where be say if you're from Nigeria, that one come in say no issues, no they if you just come on your small thing straight to your OP. You understand? One of the things I don't like about them would be their cons. Come be say you must join premium if you want to see better thing for the platform. Another thing I don't like about them is if you know be premium, withdrawal go take longer. Another thing too I don't like about them is if you know be premium, you get some kind of tax where you no go feed do for the platform, so which means it's selective. And another thing too I don't like about them is say this is their premium, no be one time or no be say you go just pay then you no go pay again. This one is something we go they do over and over again. They know they inform their people before they do drastic changes. They supposed to inform us by email email before they take any drastic change. But apart from that, the platform will make sense. I thought I don't use them since 2022 and 13 makes sense, but they get their own issues. Platform then get pros and cons, that one a normal thing. But tell me what you think about this platform for comment section. Me, I feel rate them 7/10 because they don't last till this moment. Some platforms will come with them don't go, but they still there till now. So I go give them 7/10 if I want rate them. Tell me what you go rate them personally for comment section, and also tell me if you don't use them for the past how many years or when you don't use them. Also tell me if they don't delete your account too, because they delete my own account. So tell me if they delete your account and share your opinion for comment section. Don't forget say if not a tutorial they find, make you check my Citizen account. I don't drop the tutorial for my Citizen account. Follow me for my Citizen account so that if I drop any update they go notify you. And possibly if you join my Telegram community, join my Telegram community, join my WhatsApp community, so that if I drop any update there, then go notify you. Okay, so I go see you now for my next video, and bye for now.